Okay, you want to talk about frustrating. If you're going through what I was just going through the last couple days, uh, yeah, not sticking to the bed. I finally got bed adhesion. You can't see it because I ain't got very good light in here. Oh, there it is. Anyway, I'm doing a baby Groot right now, but the other day I went to do this baby Groot and he was not sticking. And I tried everything. I even broke out the gum out, uh, degreaser and cleaner, carb cleaner type stuff, and I knew I probably shouldn't have been using that on the bed, but I even used acetone, Windex. I was trying everything. I leveled this bed. I can't count the number of times I went and re-leveled the bed because I would clean it, then figured I'd bumped it, so I re-leveled it and pulling my hair out. So you know what? I watched a video here on YouTube, and they said number one cause is cleanliness of your bed. And so I pulled the glass off. I got the glass bed, and I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to use good old-fashioned dish soap and a scrubber, one of them plastic scrubbers, and used Dawn dish soap and hot water and the scrubber. Cleaned it. Come back in here. You run the bed, and you know what? I said, you know what? I'm not even going to re-level it. I'm just going to try it and see if it sticks. So that's what I did, and it's working. So yeah, save yourself a lot of frustration, like I did. I mean, I used the scraper, I used all the cleaners, and it was a bad day today to begin with, to come home and have to deal with trying to get this bed to stick, and then something as simple as using Dawn dish soap and some hot water, and it worked. So there you go. There's your fix: Dawn dish soap and hot water. And of course, you can always make sure your bed's level, but that worked for me anyway. I even changed the nozzle, pulled the nozzle out and cleaned the nozzle, and frustrated myself with that. So yeah, save yourself a lot of headache and just on dish soap. All right, thanks for watching. I hope I helped you guys out, because by golly, I sure helped myself out. Thanks for watching.